Hello friends, I have brought an interesting question for you that has been asked in JEE Main 2019. Actually, lots of students suffered in order to solve such kind of question. So here I gonna tell you the correct approach to attempt this type of question. So as you know that whenever we get a question of a limit, firstly we need to verify that whether the limit exists even or not. But here you can clearly see that it is given equal to 5. That means this limit exists already. That's why you have been given a value, and that is equal to 5. So we shall skip this step because this limit exists already. So now we shall observe that which indeterminate form is being formed by this limit. So here you can clearly see, if you will put the value 1 is in this equation, so you will get as what? 1 minus a plus b divided by 0. Now this equation shows you that if the denominator is equal to 0, that means numerator should also be equal to 0. Only then this limit will exist, because this equation form an indeterminate form, and that is what? 0 by 0. So if the denominator is equal to 0, that means numerator should also be equal to 0. So from here we shall get one equation. What? Numerator should also be equal to 0. So here numerator is equal to what? 1 minus a plus b, and that is equal to 0. It is our first equation, and we have get our equation from this concept that what? If the denominator is equal to 0, then numerator should also be equal to 0. Only then this limit will exist, because it is being formed a what? 0 by 0 indeterminate form. Alright, so now you can get a equation from here, and if you will solve it, you shall get what? B equal to a minus 1, right? Now let's come to the point. We shall solve this limit by L'Hospital rule. Alright, so you can clearly write here as what? By applying or by L'Hospital rule. So we shall write here as what? Limit x tending to 1. By applying L'Hospital rule, we can write here as what? 2x minus a divided by 1, and that is equal to what? 5. So further we shall write here as minus a equal to 5. So from here we shall get a equal to minus 3. So now you can clearly say that a equal to minus 3, and we have get here equation b equal to a minus 1. So from here we shall put the value a in this equation, and from there we shall get what? B equal to minus 4, right? So here the question is that what? That a plus b equal to, so we shall add both the terms here and write here as what? A plus b, and that is equal to minus 7. So this is your answer. So I think you have learned something new. So please do like and subscribe the video for more further updates like this. Thanks for watching the video. Jai Hind.